You searched how to buy shares of Orron Energy AB, so let's walk through the steps. Orron Energy AB is an industrial renewable energy company listed on CBOE EU under the ticker ORRON.ST. This is an educational walkthrough, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account, and we'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After signing up, you will have to verify your account, typically by uploading an identity document, and then add funds to your balance. Open the broker's search bar and enter the ticker ORRON.ST to find the listing. Make sure you select the listing for Orron Energy AB on CBOE EU to locate the correct share. On the asset page, review the company overview and the price chart to confirm it matches Orron Energy AB. Verify the exchange and ticker to ensure this is the correct stock before proceeding. To place an order, choose Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to allocate, then review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, your order may be queued as a market or limit order, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirmation. After the trade is executed, you will see the position in your portfolio. If you want to follow this step by step, the eToro link is in the description.